up on a limestone track. Got the cooler and the engine in the back. Red bluffs climbing to a big white sky, where the Hawks and the heavy bombers fly. Trucks lined up on the canyon rim, waiting for the sun to start to dim. We're the sons and daughters of the Lone Star ground. Best believe we're gonna make some sound. Deep blue water, wild and free. This is how it's meant to be. Stars and stripes on a summer night. Everything is gonna be alright. Underneath the Texas moon, coming together none too soon. Stars and stripes on a summer night. Everything is gonna be alright. Radio playing something loud and loud, singing everywhere to the drifting cloud. See us born rising from the shoreline pits. This is where the spirit of the nation sits. Hand on heart as the daylight dies. See the pride reflected in a neighbor's eyes. From the Panhandle down to the Bloody Bay, we're celebrating in the southern way. Deep blue water, wild and free. This is how it's meant to be. Stars and stripes on a summer night. Everything is gonna
Knew a man called him Sandy Kane. Few folks even knew his name, but a hero, yes, was he. Left a boy, came back a man. Still many just don't understand about the reasons we are free. Can't forget the look in his eyes or the tears he cried as he said these words to me. All gave some gave all. Some stood through for the red, white, and blue, and some had to fall. If you ever think of me, think of all your liberties and recall some gave all. Sandy Kane is no longer here, but his words are oh so clear. They echo throughout our land. For all his friends who gave us all, who stood the ground and took the fall to help their fellow man. Love your country and live with pride, and don't forget those who died. America, can't you see? All gave some gave all. Some stood through for the red, white, and blue, and some had to fall. And if you ever think of me, think of all your liberties and recall some gave all. And if you ever think of me, think of all your liberties and recall. Yes, recall. Some gave all. Some gave all.
Two-lane road. From the first brave step to the ground we stand on, from the ones who fought to the ones now gone. Every scar, every dream, every mile of road built this country with a heavy load. And when the night gets dark, we still raise that flame. 250 years and we still know the name. We still stand free, still standing tall, still one nation when the thunder falls. And white and blue, lighting up the night, by the red, still burning bright. Through the smoke, through the fire, through the hard times gone. We keep moving fast, we keep moving on. Let the whole sky know, let the whole world see. 250 years and we're still standing free. Every soldier's prayer in the summer wind, a farmer's hands and a working man's grin. There's a mama crying when the anthem plays, and a kid growing up in the land of the brave. We've been tested, been pushed by time, but the roots run deep and the stars still shine. From the mountains high to these Texas waves, freedom still rolls through the home of the brave. So let the rockets rise, let the drums hit strong. This is more than a night.